All right, so the next section that I want to cover is section 8 of the IEP document, and that is the transportation as a related service section. So for this section, the first question that you'll answer is, does the child have needs related to their identified disability that require special transportation? So this could be if a student needs accommodations or modifications to busing because they need a wheelchair accessible bus based on the disability that they have. So this is going to identify what kind of transportation they need, what kind of modifications do they need a car seat, do they need a bus aid, do they need a wheelchair lift, anything that they need to be able to be transported, the school has to provide. And this section will list what accommodations or modifications that the student needs for transportation. The other part of section 8 is, does the child need transportation to and from provider services? So for services that are not being done at the school, whether that's, speech for some reason is not being done at the school and it's being done after school, and the parent cannot transport the child, then the school is responsible to provide transportation for the child to get to those services. So that is an overview of section 8 of the IEP document.